Good morning, Tehmina Khan is here in TKMaths is fun. In today's video, we will solve another question on disguised form of quadratic equation, which is also called equation reducible to quadratic, or sometimes it is called complex quadratic equations. So this is a topic of year 12 A-level mathematics. So video 1, which I have made here, and the link you will find in the description below. So this is question number 2 on it, and I will solve another one, which is question number 3. So I planned 3 questions to solve and to explain this concept. So like I said in the earlier video, that the only way to remember or to understand that it is a disguised case when the variable has powers which are in the ratio of 1:2. So at a glance here, it looks like that the power is same on both the variables, which is x power half. Because if it is in the square root, then in the index form, it is actually power half. So at a glance, it looks like same, but actually it is not. It is double of it. You know how I will see that? I will take LCM of it. So at the moment, the denominator here is 1. So when I will multiply this side by root x, it will become 3x plus 8 divided by root x is equals to 10, right? So if somebody has confusion how it happens, so I'm just doing one step here to explain it to them. I'm taking LCM actually. The denominator is 1. So what I'm doing, multiplying numerator and denominator by root x. Okay, so root x into root x will become x. And in the denominator, I will have root x now. Whereas the other term also have root x in the denominator. So that's why after LCM, it will become 3x plus 8. Then I will cross multiply. Now if you see, the power of x has a ratio of 1:2. Because this has power 1, 3x power 1. And the other one is x power half. Agreed? So now I will go for substitution. So it is a case of disguised form, or you can say reducible to quadratic. So I will say let t is equals to x power half. So t square will be x. So this is a little different part. So I hope you understood what I'm talking about here. So it is 3t square minus 10t plus 8 equals to 0. So now you have to divide it into, you have to find factors. So let me take calculator and find it out. Just give me a minute. Okay, so the factors are coming 4/3 and 2. So when you put in the calculator, you will get the values of t as 4/3 and 2. So if you want to make factors out of it, it will be 3t equals to 4, which means 3t minus 4. And the other one, t equals to 2, which will be t minus 2. So this is how you will get the factors using the calculator, and you will write the factors here. This is an important step. You have to show which factors you are getting. So after that, you can write the roots of t. An actual question had x in it, so that's why we have to find the value of x. So now I will go for the substitution part which I have taken, which is here. T is equals to x power half. So instead of t, I will write x power half. And same thing I will do for 2. The other value I have gotten is what? T equals to 2. So here also I will write x power half equals to 2. I have taken this from the substitution I took initially. So now I will square both sides to get the value of x, and I got these values. So this is how I will find out the value of x, right? Let's see the next question. This is also a case of disguise, okay? So like if you are not comfortable with negative value, you can take it. You can take any substitution. For example, if I take t or whatever value you want to take. There are 2 ways, by the way. It's okay. 4/3 y square, because usually people are not comfortable with the negative power, right? So you can write it like this if you want, or you can take, okay, let me finish one at a time so that you do not get confused. So now I will go for the substitution, and I can say let t equals to y square. So it will become t square equals to y power 4. So it will become 4 over t plus 1 minus 1 over t square. Then I will take LCM. I can take 1 to the other side to make it simple. So it will become 4 over t. I'm writing few steps extra so that nobody get confused how it is happening. So now I will multiply this side by t, numerator denominator. If you can do it mentally, it's fine. If you cannot, then show it. But try to do it correctly. So now I will get a quadratic equation of t. Agreed? So it is t square plus 4t minus 1. I hope all these steps are clear. If any step is not clear and you want to, you have any question, you can put it in the comments box, right? So now I will use quadratic formula, and I will get the, the quadratic formula, I hope you remember. It is, because the variable is t equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. Or you can use directly calculator like I was doing in the previous cases and get the value. So I get the value using the calculator 0.2361, and the other value is minus 4.236. Minus 4.236. But our target is to find the values of x. So I have taken the substitution here, which was t is equals to y square. So instead of t, now I will write what? Y square. Okay, so it will be y square equals to 0.2361, and similarly here y square equals to minus 4.236. Now to find the value of y, if I take a square root, this side I have negative number. So if I will take a square root, it will become negative number, and this gives you error. So you can write not possible. Okay, it is not possible. And this side, when I will take a square root, you will write plus minus and you will write the answer. According to calculator, it is coming 0.486. This is how you solve quadratic equation reducible to quadratic, or quadratic equations which are in complex form. So I hope you understood it. Thank you very much for watching. Please press like and subscribe button, give your valuable comments and share it with your friends. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.